Hi everyone, my name is Joyce Fung. I looked at the article on mutations in DSTYK and dominant urinary tract malformations. The study looked at genetic differences and similarities between two different populations that were diagnosed with congenital abnormalities. I said this was an observational study because it compared the exposed and non-exposed groups, and the groups weren't randomized. The study falls under two methods, which I said were case control and cohort. So this is a cohort as they identified a population with that was a family with autosomal dominant forms of the abnormalities. This family is followed over time through a series of follow-ups and to record data of symptoms and the development of new cases. Sequencing information showed that there were several regions of the genome that were shared among all the affected members. They then compared this information to a second population related to unrelated patients. So this is a case control because the investigators started with the population and they worked backwards to identify a predictor variable. For this in particular, the group was 311 patients that were diagnosed with congenital abnormalities. So they used genetic information from clinical databases and sequencing methods to identify independent mutations of DSTYK. They then used siRNA knockdown method in zebrafish to test their hypotheses that the gene was important to development of the human urinary tract. So there are a few limitations in the study, one of which was that a couple of the family members didn't attend their follow-ups during the study. And although they were able to indicate DSTYK as a positive regulator, a second limitation to the study requires them to conduct further studies in order to draw a causal inference. So that's all I got.